Right, now I'm going to ask Justin, would your mummy, for her birthday and birthday party, Justin, would she like cake? Okay. Right, stop, Justin. Would she like books? Would your mum like candy and pastry? No, okay, good. Would she like nuts? Peanut? Good. Would she like grapes? Right, so at the moment, no, not yet. So we've got Justin on yes, yes, no. Hold on. Yes, yes.
What?
Would your mum like toy cars? No.
No.
Would she like yo-yos?
No, I don't want to do you.
For your mum, you're going to make your mum happy for her birthday. Would your mum like balloons?
Yes.
Yes. Would she like slippers to wear? Yeah, okay, good. Would she like gloves?
No.
No, right.
No.
So that's Justin. Now, neighbour, your mum. Not yet, wait, we do it after, we do it together. Now let's listen to neighbour, what neighbour's mother, what neighbour's mum would like. Neighbour, would your mum like cakes?
Yes.
Would she like books?
Yes.
Are you sure, yeah? She would like...
Because my mom is incredible and she has a lot of books.
She would like to read then, a book and a book. Good. What about pastry?
Yes. No, pastry, no.
No, not like the
Candy.
the candy or the muffin candy or the...
I like
No?
candy.
What
No,
about...
no.
What about nuts? Oh, sorry. What about nuts?
Yes.
Would she like some grapes?
Grapes, yes.
Yeah.
Toy car.
Would she like toy cars?